So we own a Toyota Hiace van, and it's got these hardboard panels and it's held in with these plastic clips, and as you can see the tool is removing these quite easily without damaging them. I had a problem with the rear tailgate. The handle had actually jammed, I couldn't open it, so I had to take the back panel off, which has a hardboard backing like this with the clips, and this is how we got them off, so I could get to the handle mechanism to free it up to open the tailgate. Make sure you use a stainless steel fork, as it bends easily and it doesn't break. This is a standard fork, of course. Any sort of eating utensil, as I said, use a stainless steel one. It's easy to bend, but they don't break under pressure. And this is all you have to do. You just split it open, and notice at the ends I've just filed a little bit on a bevel so you can get under the clips. And well, I suppose that's about it.